In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link MT5 to your Deriv Real account. Quick heads up before we start, Deriv handles this a little differently than most brokers, since simply having a Deriv account doesn't automatically give you something to connect to MT5 with. There's a short setup step inside Deriv itself first, so let's walk through the whole thing from the top. Let's dive right in. First, we need to create the actual trading account MT5 will connect to, called a DMT5 account. Log into Deriv and head over to your Traders Hub, which is essentially your account dashboard. Scroll down until you find the CFDs section, and you'll see a few different Deriv MT5 account options listed. One is aimed at synthetic indices like volatility or boom and crash, while another, usually labeled financial or swap-free, is built for regular Forex-style trading, so pick whichever matches what you're actually planning to trade. Near the top of the screen, make sure you've switched the toggle from Demo over to Real, since we're setting up a live account here. Choose your jurisdiction when prompted, and then you'll be asked to set a password specifically for this DMT5 account. This is important. It's a separate password from your main Deriv login, and it's the one that'll actually connect you to MT5, so choose something you'll remember. Once that's done, click Add Account, and your real DMT5 account is created. One thing worth knowing at this stage, real accounts do require identity verification, typically a government ID and proof of address, before you can go too far with withdrawals. So it's worth getting those documents submitted early, even if Deriv lets you start trading with real funds right away. Now that the account exists, we need your login details. Head back into Traders Hub, find the Deriv MT5 Accounts section, and select the account you just created. You'll see your login ID listed there. Go ahead and copy it and take note of the server name shown alongside it too, since you'll need both in a moment. Time to actually connect. On desktop, open MT5, click File, then log in to Trade Account, or use Add Account from the side menu depending on your version. If it asks you to search for a broker, type in Deriv Limited specifically, since a few similarly named entries can show up and you want to make sure you're selecting the right one. Paste in your login ID, enter the DMT5 password you created earlier, select the matching server, and confirm. On mobile, the flow is nearly identical. Tap Add Account, search for Deriv Limited, paste your login ID, enter your password, and log in. One small shortcut worth mentioning if you don't feel like installing anything at all, from that same Deriv MT5 Accounts section in Traders Hub, you can just click straight into the account, and Deriv will redirect you to their own MT5 web terminal with a pop-up already asking you to connect using those same login credentials. No separate app required. And that's really the whole process. Create your DMT5 Real account first, grab your login ID and server from Traders Hub, and plug those into MT5 exactly like you would with any other broker. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.